loose. Get loose with it, gon' get 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 loose. Okay, first off, let's get this thing started. Man, you know who the life of the party. Gonna celebrate nights, we were hardy, we alive, and everything right with them. Charlie, y'all man, gotta celebrate too. Relegate now, cause the money came through.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and if you are new here, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I have a phenomenal video for you all today. It is silk press and blowout season, but you don't have to damage your natural hair in the process if you desire to achieve the same look. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that look without having to put any heat on your hair. So the unit that I'm going to show you all today is from UNICE hair. It is a kinky straight unit, and y'all, it's been done so well. As you all know, I love that texture. It does come with an elastic band that you can use to set your hair in the front, but let's get into this wig, y'all. This is a kinky straight texture in length 24. The texture feels so soft. It feels so much like my hair when it's blown out. And the cool thing about this particular wig is that the lace comes already cut in the front. So if you are a beginner, you will not have to worry about cutting any lace off. I love that about this unit, and it's a lace closure unit. So you don't have to worry about dealing with too much lace, and those combs on the inside are going to be your best friend, as well as that elastic band in the back. So you already know what time it is. It's time to try this wig on, and it was super easy to put on. But what I realized when I initially tried to install it is that my hair in the back was too bulky. I had it in a bun in the back, but what I decided to do is take the twisted leave out and pin it up so that it would be flatter. So with this particular unit, you are going to have to make sure your hair is super flat. So the slick back ponytail I already had my hair in really worked out, but just flattening it out in the back really helped to ensure that it fit better. Now I'm sure you all noticed when I put this unit on that I did not have to cut the lace off. That is such a game changer. This is the first unit that I've tried that actually had that feature. I love it because it's such a time saver. You do not have to worry about doing that particular step, and the unit is literally ready to go right out of the package. So now let's put the wig on the mannequin head. As you all can see, it looks very natural, and the hairline does look decent right out of the package, but I would recommend tweezing it just so it looks even more natural. I didn't decide to do that in this video to show you all exactly what the unit looks like right out of the package, but tweezing the hairline in the front would definitely make it look even more fabulous. So now I'm going to tint the lace, and then I'll come back on in a moment.
You don't know what it's like to fly till you get your... You don't know what it's like to fly till you had your wings cut. I was dinged up. It's all fun and games till they bringing rings up. I was lost it ain't mean much. You don't know what it's like to fly till you had your wings cut. I was lost it ain't mean much.
Alright y'all, now that we've tinted the lace and installed the unit again, it's time to flatten out the hair at the top. So I'm going to be using this hot comb, and this one is from UNICE hair. They actually sent me one that's blinged out. It's crazy blinged, but I'm going to use that in order to flatten it out. I'm going to start with some mousse first, and this is the Nairobi mousse. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you just use this alone. This is also a good method to use, but I like to follow it up with a hot comb just to make sure it's really flat.
It's all fun and games till they bringing rings up. You don't know what it's like to fly till you get your took, man. L after L after L. The dream came for free, but the work a separate sale. Had them all jump, then we jump just to fail. Start rapping for God, see these jumping off the shelf. Money in the mattress, prayers from the pastors. Tried to call friends when I should've cast actors. Tryna judge cases, no they judge Mathis. No they can't stand this, I'm tryna feel raptors. You don't know what it's like to fly till you had your wings cut. I was dinged up, it's all fun and games.
So at this point in the process, I thought I was going to keep the hair as is and just wear it blown out, but I just wanted to straighten just the top layer just to give it more of a sleek look. So I'm doing that currently, but then I decided to do something different, and you guys will see that in a moment. But if you wanted a natural hair wig that just has this blowout look that's effortless, no work needed really, the lace is already pre-cut in the front, it can definitely be worn glueless, and the texture match is perfection, then this is definitely the way to go. So y'all know me, I had to spruce up the look a little bit, so I decided to actually shape the unit. Once I shaped it, y'all, the volume and just with this texture and everything, it looked even more realistic. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll come back on, and then we're gonna take it up another notch by doing something else that's a little different.
Hey, check me out. Hey, Woods. Check me out.
Feel like I'm the GOAT, I'm Christopher Wallace. Stay fresh with no stylist. Hot like a tamale. Every time I speak, yeah, I catch a deposit. Yeah, you know I get it, 'cause position said I got it. Take a day off, I to get the pesos. Take it up high like we playing Legos. Say I'm a big star now, super laser. I don't need no millions now, I get it cared up. Hey, check me out. Hey, watch it do it. Dip left, dip right, slide back, take flight. Check me out. It's time to move it. Dip left, dip right, slide back, take flight. Hey, Flex, where you from, dawg? I am from the city. From Milwaukee, baby, yeah, you know they riding with me on. Top off on my coupe, feel like I'm Snoop. Stay in the clouds, ooh. Take a day off, to get the pesos. Take it up high like we playing Legos.
Y'all, shaping it just made it look so much better. Don't y'all agree? It looks so great at this stage, and I wanted to keep it as is, but then I decided to curl it. And I'm gonna back curl, which is gonna create these nice chunked barrel curls that are gonna look so beautiful. I actually saw this style on Pinterest, I believe, and I said, ooh, I'm gonna try this with this kinky straight hair, and I know it's gonna look so good. So I'm gonna do that now using my flat iron, and then I'll come back on once we finish. Alright y'all, now it's time to put the wig back on. I am so in love with how the curls turned out. This hair curls so nicely. I just love how big and chunky they are, and the volume once you actually comb these curls out. Chef's kiss.
I saw my mama smile through the silhouette. Sunshine and all, sunshine and all. But she don't know that I still feel like we ain't made it yet. No, I ain't lying at all. I ain't lying at all. I remember walking back from grocery stores and she would carry me sore. Muscles didn't mean a thing, we just had to see this thing through. And now she got bad hips and needs to replaced. I wonder if I walk, could this pain have been erased? Was that a cause of her failing health? She fell down, it's only right I help. Uplift despite the complicated things I felt. From cash aid to building generational wealth. Look, from her just hoping she could land a job to owning businesses, not feeling yeah, I need some real estate next. I've been the realest, not best. Is there a difference? I guess, nah. Yeah, they told me God bless. I told them I wanna bless God. Yes, I told them I wanna bless God. What's that mean? What's that mean? What's that mean, huh? What's that mean? What's that mean? What's that mean, huh? What's that mean? What's that mean? What's that mean, huh? I told him I wanna bless God. It means the kid that was least likely to succeed smashed through the middle class without finishing his degree. I still walk though, in my cap and gown at the graduation ceremony. Got my picture with the dean. You can say that I finessed it well. Some thought that I would be quick to fail, but what they missed is when you put God in the mix. Or rather, first success is more than just throwing coins in and wishing well. Still I wish him well, I tell him God bless. I really just wanna bless God, cause despite my own folly, he still brought me to the light. So if I'm living his way, I know that I'ma be alright, yeah.
Y'all, I cannot even explain how excited I was about this hair. I was like, this is about to become my new wig. And the fact that I didn't even have to glue it down, wow, this is unreal. I am in love with this unit. It looks so good. Now I'm gonna try a style that I've been waiting to do when my hair is blown out. Seems like everybody on TikTok is all about these claw clip hairstyles. So I decided to do one with bangs in the front, and then I'm just gonna clip it in the back. And I was so in love. Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I cannot wait to hear what you all think about this hairstyle as well as this texture and just this wig all together. This install turned out phenomenal and I didn't even have to glue it down, but feel free to use some bedhead spray or even got2b glue gel in order to lay it down, or even some wig glue. But this wig is definitely a keeper. I love how it held a curl and the curls just look so natural. This is just everything. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications. I cannot wait to hear what you all think. Be sure to share this video with a friend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
All my emotions got me hoping that you notice. You're the star, the show girl.